it's Christa with artisticvegan.com, and welcome back to my kitchen in another Artistic Vegan show. Today we're making Herbie's tortilla soup. This is a soup that's featured in my cookbook, the Artistic Vegan Cookbook and Alchemical Transformation. You can get an ebook for only $9.99. But anyhow, I'll share with you this wonderful recipe, and my husband even declared it is the best soup ever at the time when he ate it. So let's get right into it. You will need some vegetable broth, some beans, corn, tomatoes, peppers, and garlic and onions, garlic salt, garlic powder, chili powder, harina de maize or some corn flour, and then some tortilla strips to top. And I think that's about it. So we'll go ahead and go over to the stove and get cooking. To get going, you want to add a couple tablespoons of vegetable broth to a pan, turn on the heat, and then you want to add your onions and peppers and garlic and spices and cook for about 5 minutes until it's fragrant, and we'll go from there. It's already smelling really delicious. Now you add your vegetable broth and tomatoes. And you want that to return to a boil, and we'll go from there. We're to a roaring boil, so at this point you want to add your beans, corn, and the harina de maize, the corn flour, and cook for another 15 minutes. Well, it smells absolutely fantastic, but now it's watering. Take some of your tortilla strips and place them in the bottom. You want to get your avocado ready as well. And dish up some of this amazing soup. It's nice and hearty. You've got the beans and the corn and the tomatoes and the onion and the garlic. Whew. Yummy. Uno y dos. Then just add your avocado. You can use a whole one or half a one. It's a pretty big bowl, I'll go with half. And then just add your extra tortilla strips. Ooh. Yum, yum. Looks so good. Oops. You can add lime, salt, pepper, whatever you'd like. Adjust it to taste. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and have a bite and say goodbye. A delicious soup. It's something that I just made up one night. It's not necessarily the authentic tortilla soup. It's Herbie's tortilla soup, a vegetarian or vegan's delight, and anyone will be sure to love it. You've got all these wonderful vegetables and protein and the cream from the avocado. Oh, it's sure to please. Go to artisticvegan.com to get the full recipe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!